Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the memo line to print on checks in QuickBooks Online. If you want the memo you enter on a check to actually appear when the check is printed, the good news is that this is usually very quick to set up. I'll walk you through where to find the setting, what to do if you don't see it, and how to confirm everything is working correctly by creating a sample check. Having the memo print correctly can be especially useful because it gives you a simple way to keep payment details organized. For example, you might use the memo field to record an invoice number, a project name, a payment purpose, or any internal note that helps explain why the check was created. To begin, go to the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and select Account and Settings. This is where you can control many of the preferences related to how your company file behaves, including options for expenses and check printing. Once you're inside Account and Settings, choose the Expenses tab from the menu on the left side. Then, scroll down until you find the section related to messages or check printing. In this area, look for an option that says something like Show the Memo field on check stubs or Print Memo on checks if that option is available. Make sure it's turned on. This setting allows the memo information you type into a check to appear when the check is printed, which can be helpful for internal tracking or for giving additional context on the payment. This small setting can save time later because anyone reviewing the printed check will have more information available without needing to open QuickBooks and search through the transaction history. After turning that option on, click Save and then click Done to exit the settings area. Now here's an important note. If you don't see that option at all, that typically means it's already automatically enabled in your version of QuickBooks Online. So if the setting isn't visible, don't worry. You can move on to the next step and test it directly. QuickBooks Online settings can sometimes vary depending on your account version, updates, or the features available in your company file. Testing the process directly is usually the fastest way to confirm whether the memo will appear. Next, try creating a check. Click the plus icon in the top left corner and select Check. This opens the check entry screen, where you can fill in the payment details as usual. Enter the check information you need, and then look toward the bottom left area of the form. You should see a memo line text box there. This is where you can type the memo you want associated with the check. Keep the wording clear and concise so it displays neatly when printed. A good memo is usually short but specific. For example, instead of writing payment, you could write March office supplies invoice or client refund for order number 1234. Once you've entered your memo, click Print Check at the bottom and open the preview. In the print preview, you should be able to see the memo line showing exactly what you typed. That's the easiest way to confirm the feature is working before you actually print the check. Checking the preview first is a good habit because it helps you catch formatting issues, missing information, or anything else before using your actual check stock. And that's all there is to it. With this setting enabled and the memo entered in the check form, your memo line should print correctly in QuickBooks Online. Using the memo field consistently can make your accounting records easier to understand and can provide helpful details whenever you or someone else needs to review past payments.